is sponsored by French Lick Springs. Contact them at 812-936-9300.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, December 5th. Tri-High members, don't forget that this week is Jubilee Christmas. There are things to do after school every day, but you are needed after school Tuesday and Wednesday, and then again on Saturday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. NJHS is sponsoring Pie in the Face fundraiser to help senior Cale Kibler and his family as he recovers from surgery. Money will be collected during lunch in the office, starting now until December 13th. Many teachers have added their name to the list of potential targets. Currently in first place for the Pie in the Face fundraiser is band director Ben Werney. Second place is social studies teacher Amy Toole, and third place is principal Chad Johnson. If you want to take a closer look at this chart, check out Adobe Media Instagram. If you want to be the lucky person to smash a pie in the staff member's face, buy a raffle ticket for $1 in the office from Mrs. Grabner. Buy lots of tickets to increase your chances. All money raised will go to Cale Kibler. Drama Club's dance workshop will be tomorrow. That has changed from the original date. Wear comfortable clothes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Games Club will meet during homeroom today in Mr. Lindley's room. FCA will meet this Friday morning in Mr. Lindley's room at 7:45 a.m. Please RSVP Mr. Lindley by Thursday afternoon if you plan on attending. LRCC Robotics team will be selling Starbucks coffee and donuts this Friday and next Friday outside the cafeteria from 7:45 to 8:30. And now to Colin with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night at the wrestling meet, Chad Warren, Timmy Burton, and Zane Anderson, all individually winners at the New Albany school. Girls JV and varsity basketball defeated Lanesville. Junior high girls basketball both won against North Harrison, and both 7th and 8th grade boys lost against Shawswick. The theme for tomorrow's girls game is purple. Come support your Lady Rams in their PLAC matchup against Orleans. Back to you, Johnny.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. Check out these items in the lost and found that could belong to you. High school student council members should have their chocolate fundraisers complete and money turned in before Christmas break. And now to Ian with your weather report.
So as we go through your day, we don't have any chances of snow, but as we head into your weekend on Sunday, we have a 50% chance of some light snow and rain showers, and heading into next week. For your weather today, we have a high of 34 and a low of 28. Heading into tomorrow, the temperatures will rise a little bit, hitting the 40s with a high of 42 and low of 22. And any week on Friday, will drop again with a high of 37 and low of 22. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.